What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Teddy Cabana, and I'm back with another.
Kill all yours for mine, I go. Can't talk my mouth so close, no. I'm on the land like Mexico, no. I send a shot from the up, no. The way that is up, no, I'm coming from baseline, I beat the
Y'all see by that title, man, I'm about to prank your boy Zach, man. Hey, man, I'm about to do the bust in the bag of Cheetos in this, man, brand new 2022 Mustang, man. I ain't gonna lie, he just got the car like a week. If that, I don't know how long he had about a week, almost going on 2. But yeah, man, it's about to be an epic prank, man. I'm telling y'all, this man is funny. So, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure y'all press that notification bell. Hey, man, it don't cost a dime to subscribe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, man, so I can keep y'all posted with these new bangers. And we out. Hit that bitch. God, hold on, boy. Hold on, boy. Hold on. What the fuck wrong with you, boy? What, hold on, boy.
Boy, this shit get hot, nigga. That's what I'm
What
talking about.
What the fuck?
But don't let me put this shit in track mode, nigga. It's over with.
What motor than that?
Nah, it's a regular drive, you know.
Don't put it in. What shit?
In track mode, nigga. I got you.
You ain't got no good tires on the back, though.
We good. Traction off.
God damn, boy. Hold on, boy. Goddamn. Shit.
We hopped through this bitch. Oh, shit.
I ain't lying, boy.
Ooh,
Shit.
Yeah. This car was gonna fly in the ditch.
Nah, for real. And all them fucking raw. What them up? Get up, boy.
What the fuck you doing, man? What the fuck you doing?
Y'all niggas looking good this year. Y'all what, 2-0, ain't it?
Eagles?
Yeah.
Nah, we 3-0.
Y'all 3-0?
3-0.
Y'all ain't really play nobody though.
Man, we going back to the Super Bowl, you know?
I don't know about that one, man.
We going back to the Super Bowl. I know.
I don't know about that one, man.
Nah, trust me. We going back to the Super Bowl.
I don't know about that one. Y'all gotta get past whatchamacallit.
Who?
Us.
Who the fuck is us?
Nigga, us, nigga.
I don't know who us is.
Time out, nigga. Patrick Mahomes, nigga. You gonna get through us. I'm Patrick Mahomes fan. Nah.
I thought you were a Tom Brady fan.
I am a Tom Brady fan, but Brady gone. God damn, man. Lay off the gas. This nigga. What the fuck?
And I had a heavy ass foot, bro.
I know your ass do. Man, you put it back on track.
Oh, nah.
Oh.
Nah, I just sound like that, you know?
Yeah, man, you need to hit, man. We need to hit them niggas up, man. I want to go sit down and eat somewhere, bro. But I ain't talking about no damn Buffalo Wild Wings. I do not want Buffalo Wild Wings, bro. For real.
Coach's Corner?
Man, that shit nasty as fuck. Hungry as a motherfucker. You sure you don't want any of these shit?
Nah, I eat hot kind.
What's the difference? Nigga, they ain't the regular, but I mean, shit, these motherfuckers busting too, though.
Street to turn on.
You gonna bust it right? You ain't never been down the street?
No, nigga.
Never?
No.
Nigga, this is a common. We really could start racing back here. Oh, keep going straight. Keep going all the way down. I want to see what's all the way back down. You don't mind me eating, dude?
Nah, just don't waste shit. You know what I'm saying?
How the fuck I'm gonna waste a bag of chips on the ground?
Bro, I know how you get. I know how fat niggas get, bro. Like, come on, man. Don't waste all that shit, bro.
You fat your damn self.
I'm fluffy. It's 2 different things.
Oh, what the fuck am I?
No, you fat. It's a difference. I'm fluffy. It's 2 different things. But look it up.
Keep going straight. I wanna see what's the way down here. God damn. Come on, nigga. Anyway, back to what the fuck we were talking about. Nigga, you fat, bro.
No.
You got a gut just like me.
Nah, my shit do not hang over my pants.
My shit don't hang over
This shit is
my
a dead end. Fuck is you talking about, boy?
Man, shit, we can race back here. My mama, we can have a race out back here.
Too many horses back here, though. Fucking.
Hold on, nigga, I'm broke. Nigga, this ain't the truck, man.
Hey, this shit ain't.
Ooh, yeah, go on the flip.
My busting your turn.
Yeah, busting your turn right there. Let's get the hell out of this. Goddamn. I don't know what the hell back up in here.
The house look good, though, back there.
Well,
The driveway I'm going in.
fuck this shit, man. Get the hell up out of here. Goddamn hillbilly hell shit. We got ATVs back in shit. I was wondering where I've been. But anyway, you sure you don't want nothing?
that shit. Come on. Boy, I almost went into the ditch, boy. Come on, man. See, I almost went into the ditch now. You want to fucking play now? Yeah, damn, all right. But for real though, but all just aside, don't waste that shit for real.
Man, bro, I understand you just got the damn. You talking about no waste shit, all this shit that's already in this motherfucker. You need to get this bitch cleaned out, nigga.
That's what happens when you have nieces and nephews in the car, you know. I still gotta vacuum that shit out, but I don't want no food in my shit though.
Nigga, you got drinks in your car now.
Nigga, I had this last night.
It's still a food item.
I went to the beach last night.
What the fuck you was doing in the beach? Sand in the feet and all in the booty cheeks, huh?
Oh my God, I ain't spit up. Sorry.
This nigga here. Oh yeah, man. I wanna watch the game tonight. What the fuck type of car that is? Jeepers, creepers, where'd you get those hearts? Glass. Anyway, show your own night.
I'm good. Come on, man, stop throwing that shit before I drive off the road, though. I'll take this shit on the dirt, nigga. God damn.
This that James you eat.
Boy, what the fuck? Boy,
shit.
Come on,
Hold on,
nigga. Boy, hey man. We gonna support this shit.
Oh shit, boy!
Fuck you wanna play
man,
for,
cuz,
bro?
man, why you
Fuck
doing
you
all
wanna
that
play
shit?
for, nigga? This is too much, nigga. What the fuck is you doing, nigga? Bro, we about to go to the car wash, and you about to vacuum this shit out, boy. Boy, I don't know what, boy. Oh shit, boy.
Chill,
bro. Boy, nah, we about to go.
Bro.
Man, you wanna
Man,
play?
come on, man,
You
chill
wanna
out,
play,
bro,
nigga?
man,
You
chill
wanna
out,
play,
man.
nigga?
Man, damn, my
Nah,
fault, bro,
nigga.
chill.
Man, I should've poured this goddamn juice on your ass,
chill out,
man.
man, chill out, bro.
God damn. Cause you know, hell no, bro. We about to go vacuum this shit out,
you
boy.
been swerving and
Nah,
shit, my
nigga, no, nigga. I ain't swerve right there, nigga. No, nigga.
Damn, my chill,
Damn.
bro.
Bro,
Damn.
no. Hell no.
Shit's still good, though.
That shit is good, though. But, nigga, why the fuck would you do that, though, nigga?
Man, my nigga, I didn't know. You swerved when I was trying to open up the chill.
Bro, I gotta vacuum the car and myself, nigga. Look at my fucking shirt, nigga. God damn, nigga.
Man, cause that was my fault, my nigga.
Nah,
I ain't gonna
bro.
lie to you, cuz.
Bro, hey, going to spend that motherfucking $10 at the
Man, my
motherfucking
nigga.
car wash, nigga.
Who?
You, nigga.
Man, this
nigga,
is
I'm
not
not
my
paying
fault.
for this shit,
Why
nigga.
not? I vacuum, you pay for it.
No, nigga, what? Hold on, nigga, that shit ain't made no sense. Nigga, go and say that again.
Nigga, you
Don't say
pay
that
and I
again.
vacuum. Damn, boy, you got that shit all in your head.
Yeah, nigga, I gotta get my hair done tonight, nigga. You fucking play again?
Damn. But that's really your fault because you swerve on the fucking road.
I get my hair done tonight. I don't want that girl to be thinking I'm eating shit off the top of my head and shit, bro. Damn, nigga. Fucking playing too damn much.
Man, my nigga, I didn't know that shit was gonna do all that, bro.
Damn.
You swerve and I bust the bag open, that's my fault.
Man, nigga.
Damn, you got me all.
Beautiful,
I had a little date tonight and all, bro. You got me all fucked up, man. I mean,
I'll turn your white shirt purple, nigga.
Man,
This
come
shit
on,
got Cheetos and shit in
That
it.
shit-
I can't even fucking drink it,
man,
bro.
come on, man, give me the cup,
No,
bro.
I'm gonna throw it out the window. I hope so. Man, I ain't gonna do that.
Damn.
See that? I ain't gonna fuck up your clothes, but you gonna fuck up my car, bro.
My nigga, I did not know you swerved. You swerved.
I did not swerve when I did that shit, bro.
Yes, you did.
Bro.
You swerved.
Swerve,
Come on,
nah,
man,
nigga,
chill out, bro,
no,
man.
you wanna play games,
Come
bro.
on, man, chill out,
Bro,
bro.
we gotta
Chill.
go vacuum out this fucking car, bro. What the fuck wrong with you,
I
boy?
mean, you just paid for it and I just vacuum it out, bro.
I'm still not understanding what the fuck coming out your
Come
mouth
on,
right
man.
now,
That
bro.
smell like fucking Cheetos, bro.
That shit do smell good and that shit tastes good, but that shit don't belong on the fucking car floor. It belongs in your fucking fat ass mouth, nigga.
Man, my fault,
Man, that
bro.
shit ain't funny, bro.
My
You
fault,
gotta
bro.
come across your
Man,
shit.
that shit really your
Nigga,
fault because
no,
you fucking swung the car. You swung that bitch and
No, I'm cruising, nigga.
Come on, see that shit? That's that shit I'm talking about.
Nigga, I had to rush out because there was a car coming, nigga. No.
Man, that car way back there.
No.
Man, come on, man.
Nah, bro.
Man, you really could just drop me off home, really. Your car fucked up, boy.
I'm about to drop us off at a vacuum cleaner. Fuck is you talking about?
You gonna vacuum
No,
this shit. I ain't
nigga,
vacuuming
us,
this shit.
nigga. 1, 2, and 3, nigga.
Who the
Fuck
fuck
you
the third part?
Nigga, this nigga right here, the car, nigga. The car, nigga.
Talking about me, 'cause
No,
I ain't three people, I'm one.
Yeah, you is one person. Shit, fuck you talking about? Nigga, we might go vacuum this shit out, though.
Who?
You, nigga, us. No, nigga, I ain't touching shit. Nigga, you threw that shit on me.
Man,
no,
nigga,
I'm
you
not touching
swerved
shit.
the car.
No, nigga. No. We gotta go.
Man, you swerved
No,
the fucking car,
I'm not
bro.
starting none of that shit you talking about. We just about to go vacuum this hole out. Let's go. And after that, I want a fucking $3 bundle, nigga. Fuck what you talking about.
Hey, man, don't start that $3
Yeah,
bundle
I don't want to hear that shit,
Don't
bro.
start that shit.
Yeah, nigga, I want a $3 bundle. What an extra fucking big double.
G-Wagon, boy.
That shit is nice.
That bitch jacked up.
Run that bitch, though. Fuck you talking about.
And them shit's all wheel.
I don't give a fuck.
All right, man, we got down.
Yeah,
Drop
nigga.
me off home.
Yeah, M-Mark car wash, nigga. That's where the fuck we about to go. Yeah, this is home. This real home. What you talking about?
Man, Zach, this a prank, my nigga, though.
What?
This a prank.
Cuz.
Fuck, cuz my ass.
Bro, I don't care about that about no prank right now, bro. You should know 2 fucking chips in my fucking car. No, nigga. Fuck that prank shit, nigga. I'm mad for real, nigga. Nah, nigga. You should have never threw chips in my car.
Nigga, it's a prank, my nigga.
Bro.
Come on.
No,
It's a prank, bro.
no, bro. I don't give a fuck about this prank shit, bro.
Man, you better pay for that $7 car wash, nigga. I ain't paying for the goddamn top to the top.
Let me choose. Let me see what I could do.
Ooh, man, you crazy as a fuck. Man, you better goddamn get that
turtle
$7.
wax, the
Nigga,
turtle
when you,
wax.
this car clean.
The turtle wax.
Man, you can kiss. All right, YouTube. Make sure
No,
y'all like.
no,
comment,
nigga, no, nigga.
What?
Nah, I think I should get the MV Plus, nigga. I want the whole shebang, nigga.
Hey, man, YouTube. Make sure you like,
I want
comment,
the
and
whole
subscribe to
shebang,
the
nigga.
YouTube channel.
No,
Make sure
nigga, I
y'all
want the
press
whole
that
shebang, nigga. We
notification
getting the whole
bell. Hey, man,
shebang.
we out, bro.
No.